Hi everyone, my name is Jeremy Wango Aluma. I'm 11 years old. Today we're going to explain about dark energy. Dark energy. As mysterious as this energy is found, it's the weirdest thing. Dark energy there's no positive energy, no negative. It's just uniform anywhere. A group of dark energy can hold a molecule within them. For example, they can hold a photon and carrying and an electron at the same time. How is this possible? Dark energy is uniform. That means neither negative or positive. So if this energy is negative and positive, what can it do? Let's impact it to a real scale. For example, a galaxy. The galaxy is not holding by anything in carrying the stars and planets and everything. There is a matter making the galaxy itself. This is dark energy in principle. The matter around the galaxy that's color black with no view is there. So how does dark energy react to the molecules around it? For example, we have a dark energy molecule. Comparison to this molecule, this molecule has negative energy. As the effects of it getting closer will make it more negative, the dark energy becomes a negative itself. So what about positive? A positive molecule has a positive charge. Dark energy, being black, like with no charge, it will have a positive charge effect. The positive charge effect makes it positive itself. So dark matter, since it's non-static, it can either be negative or positive energy. So how about we throw in more positive dark energy with power? Dark energy has power, unstoppable power comparison. How is this power? How can you feel the power? The power is either can transform it to a negative or a positive. But how can it be both at the same time? This is why we have a question, how can it be both? To make dark energy, you have to start by punching two molecules together. A positive molecule and a negative. If you put the positive to negative and negative to positive, their effects will randomly change. First of all, then they will first make a force field of energy. The force field of energy will start putting gravity. While this force field is now a bit small, the power of gravity refuses the tiny part of energy to grow. As they continue to merge, the more stronger the force field gets. The positive and negative electrons are coming into contact. The more power they come, the more stronger the force field, the more powerful it is. As they try to develop gravity takes over the power. The gravity now starts squeezing the ball smaller and smaller. As the force field now breaks away due to gravity, the molecules plus gravity will combine to equals dark matter. The dark matter now has no electric charge and nothing. The dark matter is now a molecule that can either be destroyed or create. Dark matter has no powerful force forcing outwards. So wherever gravity force is in it, it will follow the gravitational force through it. But what if so how can this charge effect happen? This is the charge for positive, even negative. This charge only is used, this charge, the red one, is positive energy. That's repulsion. And this is dark matter. The repulsion repels dark matter from being dark matter. But there's still more. This molecule can either break into two. So how can dark matter be created naturally? The universe makes one positive molecule. It makes another negative molecule. After these two molecules are made, immediately they collide to make a dark matter. You can find this effect in Hawking radiation. It's not like the molecules are losing. They are bumping out of the black hole to create more dark matter after the black hole dies. So can dark matter repel each other? Dark matter is the force of gravity. So it will rather stick with any dark matter. Dark matter has gravity power in it. The gravity generates more power and more. The power of dark matter is after dark matter is created, the power force of neither both positive and negative, if it stands near positive and negative, the positive and negative power will stay the same, except both powers will become uniform. As the energy kind of feeds the dark matter through everything, we end up with a hypothesis of 3 layers. To begin, the universe makes particles, those that make dark matter. Dark matter is a powerful force. It's so powerful, in fact, its force is relevantly an inward. It's now relevantly pushing outwards. Since this molecule is generating a lot of as its power gets, as the gravity gets stronger, the dark matter gets stronger too. But in a part of it, the molecule starts disintegrating itself by repulsion and become a negative and a positive. And a positive and a negative have different charges. But now since it's destroyed, the power force of this brings two forces. The negative goes to positive, positive goes to negative. The cycle repeats in dark matter. They collide again and again to make a new dark matter all the time. Through this, repulsion happens, whether from any object to black holes to atoms. Dark matter will repel them. The more interactions it does, it kind of makes some sense. But the problem is, how can dark matter do repulsion? After millions of repulsions happen, the dark matter gets more powerful, creating an energy force. This energy force makes a tight gravity around it and whatever it's orbiting at. The tight gravity holds everything together, while the black hole or anything, the core or everything has to push out to create a balance. The balance is that if anything goes normal, the galaxy will remain and planets. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.